Grinder here is working on his physical alignment, and alignment is the topic of next week's RDP podcast. You can check it out at where you get your normal podcast, but it's going to be one of the best ones I've come out with in a while. But anyway, this week's topic is about the magic of 3-set backfilling strategy. This is a strategy that I use for anyone who's looking to I just want to get bigger, and I want to build strength, and I don't want to have to spend all day in a gym in order to do it. This is the strategy I use, and it works really well. The strategy is very simple. When you take an exercise, let's say pull-ups for example, and we have 3 major working sets. Now you have your first work set and you go all out. How many reps can you do? Second one, all out. How many reps can you do? Third one, same exact deal. Now the first time you do this, you're naturally going to have a descending number of repetitions. You simply cannot do the same number of repetitions for 3 working sets when you're going all out on every one because you have an accumulation of fatigue. But that's where we start. Now, what we do next is the next workout and subsequent workouts after that, you stay at that number. So let's say you started with 12. You stay at 12. As you get stronger, you're going to be able to do more repetitions, but you still stay at 12. You hold yourself back just a little bit, and then you quote unquote backfill the other 2 sets. So 10 becomes 11, and then 12, and then 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're starting to level up this descending ramp until we're back level. At that point, your body has kind of gotten a lot more acclimated to the exercise. You've been able to refine your technique, your range of motion, and tension control a little bit. This is another approach to what Paul Wade calls banking strength in convict conditioning, where you're not going all out. You're saving a little bit in reserve, but what I like to look at it is you're creating progressive momentum. The first time you do this, you're gonna feel like that's all I could possibly do. But as you get stronger, you're gonna wanna do more repetitions on that first set, but you hold yourself purposely to whatever it was, let's say 12. So you feel like you've got this little bit of extra going into the next sets, and it builds some momentum knowing that you can go beyond what you had before. Then once you're at that point, you bring yourself and you say, all right, all out first set yet again. That's your little test. You get, let's say, 15 reps. Naturally, these are gonna be less. You get 13 and maybe 11. And then you repeat the process and you backfill. So it creates this ratcheting up system throughout one workout to the next, where it's not overwhelming, you don't feel like you're always busting your tail at your very limit, and you're able to progress your training in a much more easy and comfortable way. So give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions. Check out these videos if you like this sort of thing. And if you're new here, consider subscribing down here as well. Till then, be fit, live free.